This is an 1857 12-pound Napoleon cannon. This is one of the most common types of cannons used during the American Civil War. It fired a 12-pound projectile just under a mile. It used a pound and a half of black powder to propel that projectile. It used a 6-person crew to do that, and it was part of a 6-gun battery.
Okay, let's go on the parts, please.
The parts. This is the barrel. It weighs about 1,200 pounds. It's made of solid bronze. This is the carriage. This carriage weighs about 1,200 pounds. It's made of oak. And it has steel and iron fittings all around it. This is the breech hole. This is how the gun is fired. The gun is loaded from the front. It has a 1.5 pound powder charge, and then we use a prick to poke a hole in the bag through this hole. And then we use what's called a friction primer to fire this gun. Friction primer is put in here with a 6-foot rope, and we pull that rope, and that's what ignites the chemical that ignites the powder charge in the gun. The gun is aimed from here by raising and lowering the elevation, and that's how we determine how far the gun can fire. This is a bracket for the sights. You see there's a sight on the front. This is the rear sight bracket. So you see the front sight, there's a bracket, and this holds the rear sight. And we don't have the rear sight with us, so